All right. Well, things just sometimes don't go according to plan, huh? Look here where the silver plated back on the copper. This is where I cut, and that used to be copper. I came home this morning after work and went to start messing with this, pull them out and dry them, and the silver has plated back on that. I tested this for with Schwarzer's solution, and it tested for silver. So we'll see. Maybe that's something underneath it. I don't know, but it had like I guess a weak dielectric current to plate that back out. That's so strange. It plated even on some of the hooks there. See. Anyway, I poured the solution off, and see the slimes there. It's a little copper, a little silver. And what I'll do is I'm going to put that in some distilled water. Maybe I'll add some acid or something, change the pH and see if that drops off, or I'll just have to rerun them again. And I think what I'm going to do on this is we're going to run that coppercell until that's completely bare. And I'm not going to mess with it falling off again. I don't know, man. Or maybe I'll have to dry it. I've got to re-examine the procedure here. So, day 3, mishap in the lab.